Okay, so in this video I'm going to be doing a head wrap tutorial. I'm starting off with firstly wash hair. I use the cholesterol olive that you can see right here. I go in with a brush, a comb, and an edge brush, and some got to be glued. I took a shirt that I cut the back off of, and that's what I'm going to use as my head wrap. Okay, so I start off by parting my hair. You can part it in any way you want to. I just chose to do it this way for this video. So I'm going to section it, and I'm going to start with one section. I'm going to go in with the got to be glued and distribute it to the front of my hair. So I'm just going to start putting it on my edges. However you style your edges, however you normally would do it, just go ahead and do that. I'm just trying to make sure the very front of my hair is saturated, all the parts that will be visible with the head wrap on. So I go in with my brush and just kind of slick it down just to make sure that all the pieces of hair are saturated. And then after that, I'm just kind of making sure it's smooth. So now I'm just going to proceed to style my edges. I'm not the best at this. I always have one side that looks much better than the other, but I do the basic thing. I take the comb and I create a little swoop and I kind of smooth it out and then repeat until it looks the way you want it to. So now I'm going in and I'm doing the other side. I'm doing the exact same steps. Because of my part, I have to swoop the middle part a little differently. But other than that, I'm basically just doing the same thing. I'm going in with a lot more got to be glued. Okay, so I'm smoothing it down again. I'm laughing because it looks really funny slick back like this. Now here's when I start struggling. At this point, I'm basically just going in and trying to fix little pieces. You really basically just keep going until it's how you want it to look. Like I said, I'm not the best at doing my edges, and I always do one side a little less nicely, and this obviously is that side. So I'm struggling. I'm just trying to clean it up, make it look presentable, make it look cute, do what I gotta do. Okay, so I got my stocking cap. You don't have to do this, but I do this. I put it over my hair Well, at least I tried to. So I put it over my hair, and I put all the hair that's going to be under the head wrap in the stocking cap, and I'm doing my best to put the ends of my curls in the cap, the ones that don't need to be seen. I know that sounds weird, but you don't want all your extra hair out that's not slick, because it's going to start looking frizzy, it's not going to be cute, it's going to be unorganized. But if that's the look you're going for, you don't have to do this. But yeah, so I'm just going to tuck my little hairs in, and then I'm going to re-swoop my edges just in case they get messed up. If you have more time, you can put a silk scarf over your edges, let them dry, let them set so they don't like move, and then come back in and do this step. But I personally did this in less than 10 minutes, so I wasn't trying to do all that. I don't normally do voiceovers, so if you see me making weird faces, it's because I'm doing this and not talking. And it's really weird, but I'm gonna get better at it. Okay, so this is gonna be hard to explain. I took a shirt and I cut it in half. I took the back half of it, and this is what I'm using. So I'm gonna take like the collar part. You could tuck this if you want to. I didn't. I wanted you to see that. So I take it and wrap it behind my ears, kind of like a headband, I guess. Tuck it behind my ears, and then make it lined up to where I want it to be, or a little bit above, because it's gonna slide back when you do this. So I take it and I just twist the whole material, make it tight like if you're doing a bantu knot, and then basically I bantu knot the back. And then I was really struggling to tuck that last piece in, but that's what I was attempting to do. And then yeah, I'm just still attempting because it did take me a while. So I'm turning around, I'm looking at how it looks. I see there's some pieces that need to be tucked, so I'm gonna go in, I'm going to tuck them. I can't see what I'm doing, but you can kind of feel if the piece is sticking out. I'm checking it again. I'm cute. Okay, I'm gonna tuck that last little piece in, and I'm done. I'm successful. Stocking cap. I only do it because my hair is really curly and it's really kind of silky. But it's kind of silky, so my scarf would slip back a little bit. The stocking cap is kind of helps it slow down, and it also kind of held down the curls at the ends that weren't slicked down. You don't have to use got to be glue. My hair is really curly, and gel will make my hair curl back up so it will look like I didn't even really style it. I'm not the best at styling my edges. I always have one side that looks better, and I think it's probably safe. But I hope the video was easy to follow. It was not a long one this time. I do it every now and then. I'll show another video later of like other ways to make curtains, but I had a black shirt on and I had a black shirt already cut, so you already know. Save some time, you already know. It's a really simple style. I've been wearing wigs a lot, and I wear my hair out, and I don't have any issue with my length, but I like wearing buns. I'm used to that. So this right there gives me that look. It's quick, it's easy, low maintenance. I use the Got to Be Glued. I'm not sure how many days it will last me, so I will maybe do an update another time and tell you how long it lasted. Like I said, you can use gel. You don't have to use the Got to Be Glued. Use a comb. My hair was still kind of wet. It's not like soaking wet, but it's not fully dry. So if your hair isn't dry, use a dark color. Whatever you use a dark color one so you won't see wet spots. That's why I have a black one. Like I said, glad you all watched. I hope you like it. Comment, subscribe, share it to your friends. Put me in a group chat. Even if you say I'm ugly, put me in a group chat. Give me some views. You already know. Thank you for watching my video. I'll be back next week, maybe later in this week. We'll see what my schedule's looking like. Thanks for watching.